Anker's Soundcore brand is back with something that feels less like a gadget and more like a complete experience. After the success of its Nebula X1 outdoor projector, the company decided to go all out with a new version that's being billed as the world's first mobile theater station. The Nebula X1 Pro takes everything people loved about the original and wraps it up in a massive wheeled body, adds powerful sound, and even includes an inflatable 200-inch screen. It's not just a projector, it's your own rolling cinema. At the heart of the X1 Pro is a triple laser projection engine built around a DLP chip, pumping out 3,500 ANSI lumens of brightness. That means sharp 4K visuals, whether you're setting it up in the backyard or on a huge wall indoors. The projection size can stretch up to 300 inches if you've got the space for it, and the colors promise to be stunningly accurate, covering more than the Rec 2020 color gamut with Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG support. In short, you're getting movie theater quality images without leaving home. Of course, not everyone has a blank wall ready for a screen that big, so Soundcore made an inflatable solution. The 200-inch PVC-coated mesh screen sets up in less than 5 minutes with a battery-powered pump, meaning you can have a cinema under the stars without breaking a sweat. And because it's designed with stability in mind, it won't easily blow over if the evening breeze kicks in. Setting up the actual projector is just as simple. The X1 Pro comes with AI-powered image adaptation, which automatically adjusts focus, angle, and size to fit your space. It even compensates for wall colors and adjusts HDR tone mapping in real time, so whether you're watching a film indoors, outdoors, or projecting onto a slightly off-white wall, it still looks great. The built-in gimbal lets you tilt the lens up to 25 degrees, giving you flexibility in where you place it. Now, this isn't a small gadget you toss in a bag. The X1 Pro is a serious piece of equipment, measuring nearly 30 inches tall and weighing more than 70 pounds. Luckily, Soundcore gave it wheels and a pull handle, so you don't have to strain your back moving it around. It does need a power source since it doesn't have a built-in battery, but Anker's own Solix portable power stations can keep the show going for hours. Depending on which unit you pick, you can get anywhere from 3 to nearly 10 hours of movie time off-grid. What really makes this setup shine, though, is the sound. Forget tinny projector speakers. This beast comes with two 5.25-inch subwoofers, articulating speakers that swivel outward, and detachable wireless speakers for true surround sound. You can set them up around the yard or living room, creating an immersive 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos experience. The wireless units last up to 8 hours on their own and recharge right inside the main unit. With 400 watts of power pushing out audio from every direction, including overhead channels, your outdoor movie nights will sound as epic as they look. And because no movie night is complete without options, the X1 Pro runs Google TV, meaning Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more are right there at your fingertips. You can also cast from your phone, hook up a console with low-latency HDMI for gaming, or break out the included wireless microphones for karaoke. Everything can be controlled with the onboard panel or the remote, which tucks neatly into a hidden compartment when you're done. Anker has launched the Nebula X1 Pro on Kickstarter, and it's already smashed its funding goal. Early backers can grab the full projector and screen package for a big discount compared to the retail price, with shipping expected to start in December. Crowdfunding always carries some uncertainty, but given Anker's track record, this looks like one campaign that will deliver. In the end, the Nebula X1 Pro isn't just a projector, it's an event in a box. It's designed for those who want to turn their backyard, driveway, or even a campground into a full-fledged theater. Between the jaw-dropping visuals, the booming surround sound, and the convenience of a massive inflatable screen, it turns ordinary nights into unforgettable ones. If you've ever dreamed of having your own cinema under the stars, this rolling powerhouse might be the closest you'll get.